Self-assessment. So once you get logged in to the Keep2 platform, you are going to be looking down the left-hand side to find the self-assessment tab. This is where you're going to be putting in a little bit of information about yourself and start taking the self-assessment. This is going to work you through the 4 constructs, and each construct has some subgroups, some sub areas for each goal area. So this is a time for you to kind of reflect on your practice and where it is that you feel your strengths are and some areas that you're looking for some professional growth. Each area is going to be divided into effective, developing, effective, and highly effective. When we think about the professional growth of teachers as a whole, we really want to stay within this developing and effective because we always know that there's room for growth no matter how great we feel we are at something. The key with this is scrolling through each and one of those constructs. You will have 4, so you will actually have to go through each 4 of the constructs to be able to mark this as completed. So take your time, reflect, and start going through the self-assessment so you can use this information and data to help set your goals and outcomes.